welcome back to another fun-filled episode of Fairy Friday on the Pink Bookmark. Who is going to tell what we're doing today?
I'll tell. So hey guys, as you can see the space around behind me, it's totally blank. But we are going to convert it in a warm, cozy, glittery, sparkly, fairy themed corner. So we have all the supplies, no fancy things, so no need to rush to the store. So let's start.
Oh yeah!
Hi! Hi!
We can't do that. No one saw that.
It's alright. So let's start. Okay.
Okay, so let's go get something.
I think we should put the books on the shelf.
Good idea.
Yes,
Let's go get the fairy books.
Yeah, I will do some lights. Oh,
There they are. We're gonna go.
got the fairy lights. See? We are going to need this. It's so cute. Done here, and when it's all done, we're gonna light it up. And when it's all done, we're gonna light this fairy light bottle.
Oh my god.
No. We're not keeping those at all. Yep. Those are fairy. Oh, and shit. This one. I think we should keep this over here. Yeah. I keep the bag. Yeah, wait.
Where's it? Oh, there it is.
This and this.
So let's focus on one thing, the shelves first, which I think we're almost done with.
Yeah, and I'm done with the Christmas tree. See? The dollies. Yeah, the dollies. Don't forget them.
Can't forget the dollies.
Now,
Let's see.
this thing. I got some colors.
Yes, crafts and levels of it.
We also have some stickers. Yay, some stickies.
I feel it's very different.
And we have some colors.
Now what else can we put?
Wait, we don't have a wand. Oh yeah.
Wait, that is going to be bad. Wait a second.
We don't have wands. Oh yeah, that's why we got straws. So guys, we have a DIY tip. So if you don't have a wand, you can just take any plastic straw at our home and take a clip. Yeah, which we have. I took this one. I took this one. I took the same as me. And you
I
can
took
just put
two
it like this.
We can just put it wherever we want to make our wands look beautiful.
And see, we have got your wands.
Okay, now back to decorating. We have to
Bibbidi
make the
bobbidi
wands.
boo. No, I have an idea. Let's keep all our magical wands here. This. Asmi's other album.
Oh my gosh.
Let's just remove this one. Yeah. It won't look so good.
I can't find anything. What
Yeah.
else can we put? Oh, I have an idea. What if we draw pictures to stick on the wall?
Oh,
yeah.
that's a very nice idea. Do all of us have to take
I think all of us.
No, I think we can design on one paper.
Yeah.
And
We have
if
this
we need
paper.
more, then we can take. I look for a black pencil.
I think we need it.
We have a black pencil in this.
Two of us should still focus on drawing. I mean, like on the decor. Oh, wait. When does this show? Oh, I have an idea at the end, but I'm not telling you.
What?
Who cares, right?
It actually looks good. The crown. Can I draw it? But I did not make her hair.
I am making her now.
Is she gonna make it hard? Don't make her make bold.
Of course not. Someone
Yeah,
draw the
of
hair.
I draw the eyes.
Yes. Well, that's looking great.
Yeah. Where is
Us me. While they do a
Where
coloring,
is
why
the
don't
brown?
we talk about some
Brown
fairy
then?
books over there?
it's? Oh yeah, it's brown.
Oh, these ones are
Okay, fine.
So, can you tell me a little about this book? I've never read before.
This is such a good book. And you know what?
What?
There's this girl,
Okay.
Julia, and you know she goes in a cupcake contest.
Bro, that's it.
And then she makes cupcakes. And they're alive.
Oh my god, can they like do cool stuff like fly?
Yeah, they can fly. And you know what? See this. There's even a recipe to make those exactly same cupcakes, you know? You want to see
That
it?
is so awesome.
See, there's a recipe.
Dude, and that is just crazy.
Now, I've
So this
never
one-
read this book.
So this one is like four fairy friends. Lulu, Coco, Zali, and Nova. So this one is Nova.
Okay.
And they live like in a tree.
In a tree?
Yes. With
Oh.
lots and lots and lots of fairies. And today was their tryout to see which pod they'll be in. The pods are like their classification. There's like Sparkleberry, Twinkle Star, Flutter, something, and so many more. It is four pods, so this is the tryout where she does the absolute best.
That's so good.
2 hours later.
One final touch.
Wow. So nice. So Asmi, should we let the viewers decide this fairy corner's name or should we decide it? I think our fairy friends should decide a cool fancy name for this fairy corner. And guys, isn't it looking good? Tap your guesses in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Bye!